Hello guys, and welcome back to We Film Things. I'm interrupting our usual adventure-filled scheduled programming because today is Halloween, and Halloween happens to be Jack's favorite day of the year. For some unknown reason, that kind of childish wanting to be scared is right up Jack's street. So normally when we lived in London, Jack and I would throw a Halloween party, invite all our friends, have a bit of a ball. This year we're in Manchester. We don't have as many friends here, and also we're both really busy this week. So I'm shooting most of this week, and then I'm away this weekend. Jack's in London today for work, so we're not seeing each other very much, and so we haven't even like decorated the house or anything, and I thought it might be nice to decorate the house for Jack when he gets back from London, because I'm cute like that. I know, but at the moment the house is a bit of a tip. I don't even want to show you this, guys. Just thought I'd make the house a bit nice, so let's go. Okay, on to the next thing. So first step, cleaning up, is done. Second step was feeding myself, but third step, pumpkin cake. I had to get this American pumpkin puree or whatever. It says it's 100% natural, but it comes in a can, so you never know. But yeah, I'm gonna attempt to make a cake. We shall see how this goes. So whilst those are in the oven, I thought I'd get onto the Halloween decorations. It's 2 days before Halloween and I had some trouble sourcing any pumpkins, so I've had to think of an alternative, and I thought I'd get some little oranges and just draw pumpkin carved faces on them and make them look like pumpkins. I mean, it's just gonna have to do, man. Okay, so they don't look super professional, but I'm hoping I can just pop a little bit of icing on top. This is the icing, which currently looks a little bit lumpier than I would like it to, so I should probably continue to let that be mixed. While that's sorting itself out though, I'm gonna get out the Halloween decorations. I can't reach them is the only problem. This is Halloween, this is Halloween. Halloween, Halloween. Baby, I have found the gold mine. My cactus has a chainsaw. That's Jeb, and that is his chainsaw. So team, this is what everything looks like. We've got ourselves a little runner. And then I just have like a little pumpkin, what is this called? A garland? I don't know. And a little happy Halloween sign there. Let's not forget our entry, beware sign. Anyway, I'm gonna get to bed because I have a shoot tomorrow. Look how good this looks in the morning sun. Cute. Ta-da! These are the final Halloween cakes. They have little icing bats on them. Cake has been partially eaten. I have no idea how that could have possibly happened. I actually made it home before Jack, which I'm super excited about. I'll get to film his reaction. Yeah! He actually texted me today to say that he's a bit sad that we didn't do anything Halloween-y this year, so I'm hoping he'll like this. This is too soppy a video to put on YouTube, probably.
Oh, let's try the wood. Hey! It's so cool. I love Halloween.
I know
you were doing this. I knew you were doing this.
Okay, this is a lie. Jack's already walked in. I made him walk out again.
That was good acting, wasn't it?
It was, but obviously I didn't know.
I love the. I've just seen the chainsaw in the cactus.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Look, check these guys out. They're
oranges.
oranges because I couldn't find any.
They're sold out pumpkins.
And look, it's like a little witching hour thing. Okay, dead flowers,
Creepy.
and a black candle. I know.
Why did you light the black candle?
It's not the black flame.
Okay, fine. Thank God. You're not virgin, so that's good.
You can't tell that to the viewers.
I think they know. I also like this.
Yeah.
Because it reminds me of your birthday when Selena wore this.
Wow.
As a birthday surprise. She wore this.
I know.
And I said to her, you can't wear that, Selena, it's not a birthday thing. And she said, well, it's Eliska's birthday, she can decide. And she wore it.
And you haven't even seen the best part. Are you ready? Close your eyes. This could go really badly because I'm doing it with one hand. Okay, open.
Whoa. This is very professional.
This actually only looks professional because the lights are off.
It's amazing. And this is pumpkin cake.
I've already eaten some. Did you enjoy your Halloween surprise?
Yes, thank you. I love Halloween.
I told you he loves Halloween. Anyway, that's just a little reminder to celebrate even silly things and do fun things with people you like.
I hate.
Oh my god.
I hate not celebrating things like Halloween and bonfire night and stuff. I was really sad that we weren't going to celebrate it this year. Now, we're happy.
I know.
I'm happy.
Yeah.
So happy. What would
Anyway,
be your
guys.
creature of choice to turn into?
Definitely a vampire.
That'd be a werewolf. So
You get to be like
much
really-
fun being a werewolf.
But you get to fly if you're a vampire.
I'm pretty agile.
As a werewolf though?
That's what
You'd
I'm
be
saying.
like big and
Really good at jumping, really good at climbing on stuff. What would be your creature of choice? Write in the comments below and give us one reason why.
Okay.
Vampire? Werewolf? What are you?
Anyway, guys. Thanks so much for watching, if you did watch this. I know it's a little bit different to our usual videos, but we've had comments that we should do things that are a bit more personal too, so Halloween it is.
Really? They want to know our personal lives.
Apparently. Don't know why. It's not very interesting, guys.
Happy
Halloween! Like this video if Jack is driving you crazy right now. Okay, bye, see you in the next one. Okay,
Happy
thanks.
Halloween.
Bye.